Hello guys, how are you? I I would say the word. I know. I hope you guys have had a great Christmas and a good crossover for the new year 2024. Who's really excited? You know, this year is your year of blessings, your year of good things, yeah? And you have to work hard for them, lakini. So, yes, over the Christmas, things went well and we got a new gear. We have our box that we are gonna unbox and we check what we have in here. Why? Drum rolls, please. Let's check out. Wow. We got the manual. Make sure you always read the manual. It's very helpful. Let's check out. Oh, here. Oh, it's a hoodie. It's a lens protector, guys. You use it like this. It's a lens guard. We have the remote. Oh, isn't it magnificent? What do we have next over here? Handheld bracket. What? Oh, this is really, really nice and good. I think, yeah, you can use it like a gimbal. Ooh, check this out. Ooh, wow, this is beautiful, magnificent. Oh, we have the mic. Oh, ah, here, here. See, it's really easy to connect. It's really easy to use. This is a charger for the battery. Then this is your cable. Yeah. So make sure you read the manual. It's really gonna help you. What do we have over here? I have two sets of this. Ah, this is the battery. This is the battery. It's used. You only have to use the specified charger. You see, like, you see what you see this? It's 1500 mAh. Yeah, and it's two so that you don't run out of battery. Drum rolls, drum rolls, please. We have the kingpin. Ooh. Wow. Check the casing, my guys. Now, here is here is the real deal. Here's the real deal. It's a 4K Ultra HD. It has 48 megapixels. It's touch screen. It has high sound quality. It has 18x digital zoom. You can use the Wi-Fi. Then back here, you can connect the mic, the USB to transfer your file after recording. And as you can see over here, there's an indicator if it's charging or full. Zoom using this, yeah. And this is the holder in case you're moving around. We have this, the where you can get your view from and see how you're recording. And you have this. It's really cool and really efficient. Yeah, it uses Wi-Fi. Now let's check out the lens. Let's check out. Oh my God. Did you see this? Oh, this is beautiful. You see, it has like what is it? Some light you can shed from there. It's really beautiful and really magnificent. Oh, yeah, guys, I got you. I got you. We're gonna do so much. Oh, wait, I almost forgot something. You can also pin it on a tripod stand over here. Yeah, and then over here, it's where you put in your battery. You remember? You remember the batteries that you were charging from here? Yeah, you put them over here. Then this is a place to insert your memory card just to keep store of your data. Yeah, well, that's it for today. And let me tell you guys, I'm not lying. I'm really excited about what we're gonna do with this. So I will put this to maximum use and I will make sure you guys enjoy the channel in 2024. I love you. God bless you. So, guys, we've come to the end of the video today. Thank you for unboxing this gift with me. Um, yeah, I, it's a gift from my dad. I just want to say thank you, Dad, wherever you are. And guys, so just to be ready for hot videos, more good travel videos, and yeah, we will do so much with this equipment. So I love you so much. Stay tuned and God bless you.